Let's go through the steps to do the chemical testing. For this part of the project, you'll need your 3 plastic test tubes, your test tabs, and your aluminum foil. Okay, so for each chemical test in your packet, there's a sheet that talks about how to do it, and Kayla is going to do the pH test. So the first thing she does is read what she needs, and she needs a plastic test tube, she needs the test tabs, which are in the little foil packets, and then also on that sheet, there's the color chart that's going to help her figure out what her result is. And then so she's going to read through the directions and do everything it says on the card. So his direction is to fill his test tube to the 10 milliliter line. And once he's got 10 milliliters of water, he's going to pop open his foil packet and put his test tab in there. The next direction says to screw the lid on, and then you're going to let the test tablet dissolve by mixing, by inverting. And inverting just means turn it over and back, and over and back. So you don't shake it, you just do this like Cameron's doing until that tab dissolves. And once the tab dissolves, you wait the amount of time that it says on your card. Cameron, how long do you wait?
5 minutes.
So once the test tab is completely dissolved, he's gonna wait 5 minutes before he reads the result. Just a note about the nitrate test. The nitrate test can't react in the presence of UV light. So if you're doing this one outside, before you start your test, take your aluminum foil and wrap it around your tube, just like that, till you've made a little sleeve. You can take the tube out, get your water sample, put the tube back in, and then take the lid off again to put your test tab in. And then let your test react. If you're doing this inside, you do not need to use the aluminum sleeve. You just need to use the sleeve if you're doing it outside in the presence of sunlight. Here's an example of how to read your result. Compare the color in your test tube to the color on your sheet and record the result on your final page of your data sheet.